Hi! In front of me is POCO M5S, and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this device. First of all, go into Play Store and click on the search bar. Then type in DevCheck. When you're ready, you need to click on this app from Flare to Developer and install it, DevCheck device and system info. When your app is ready, click Open. As you can see, thanks to this app, you can learn all the informations about your POCO's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!